Ever found yourself needing an extra signature on a listing contract but weren't sure how to add that third party in DocuSign? Let's solve that problem right now. First, access your DocuSign account and open the listing contract you're working with. Make sure the document is fully uploaded and ready for editing. Next, click the Add Recipient button. This will allow you to include the third party who needs to sign the document. A new window will pop up. Enter the third party's name and email address accurately in the designated fields. Pay close attention to the signing order. If the third party needs to sign before or after the other parties, adjust the order accordingly by dragging and dropping the recipient's box to its correct place in the list. Now, drag and drop the signature, initial, or date fields onto the document where the third party needs to take action. Ensure these fields are clearly placed and easily accessible. Finally, once you've added all necessary fields and confirmed the signing order, click the Send button. DocuSign will then email the listing contract to all parties, including your newly added third party, in the correct order. That's all there is to it.